Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my Boxy Charm, which I got like a week ago, but last week was a lot of traveling to doctors and work and what my life is right now. But anyway, I did open it already just because I was curious of what was in it, and it's a great box. But anyway, we're going to get started on November's Boxy Charm, so y'all stay tuned. So to start off with, oh, my hair is stuck in the sticker. We open it up and it's a little messed up, but anyway, it has the little pamphlet thing, and this month is Stellar. If I can see that or not, but Stellar, really pretty. I like that. And then we have Becca Ultimate Covers 24-Hour Foundation samples. Little samples right here. I can't wait to try these. I'll probably try them like in a video. I know the bamboo is going to be way too dark for me. I'm probably going to be the olive shade, more than likely. I think maybe driftwood. Driftwood, probably this very light shade on this end. Anyway, it looks a little orange, but we'll see. We'll try it out one day on a video. I'm running out of places to set this, so I'm just going to set it in my lap. Okay, and next we have something I'm very, very excited about. It is Boxy Charm brushes, but these brushes are like the flat top brushes. They're so soft. Oh my goodness. But we got this one and we got a bigger one. So they look like this. I'm very excited to try those out. I'm going to go ahead and put them in my brush holder over here. And then we have two probiotic superfood Tula skincare Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. Really excited to try this out. Got two of them, so me and my daughter could probably do it together because me and her both are having skin issues, and she's seeing a dermatologist and an anesthetician, and I'm going to start seeing an anesthetician too to get all my skin problems taken away, hopefully. But yeah, I'm going to do this for my daughter one night. I'll probably vlog it or something. I'm going to get back to vlogging, y'all, I promise. And next we have Liquid Matte Lipstick from Dose of Colors. And this is in the shade Charm. I'm really excited about this. I love Dose of Colors. I'm just hoping the color is good. I've gotten the lipstick from them before, so... Ooh, I think I like this one. Ooh. I don't know why lipsticks, they're so bad on me. I really don't. Really pretty color. Really pretty color. I like this. It's going in my lipstick drawer. Anyway, I messed up my lips, but whatever. But I really like the shade. It's a really good fall shade. Did I just do that? What in the ever? Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I don't have any makeup wipes in here. This is terrible, y'all. Terrible. Oh my gosh, I'm just spreading it even further. Okay. We will pretend that didn't happen. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I had Dose of Colors lipstick on my head. That'll be in the bloopers. So, next we have, this is the Juice Beauty Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Definitely going to be using this. definite use because I'm getting older. I'm getting wrinkles around my eyes, forehead. Y'all see this, but this is eye treatment. So I don't know. If it works on the eyes, I may try it on my forehead. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, it looks like this. Very interesting little top to it. Oh, it's like a little pump. Ah, see? Very smooth. It doesn't really smell. Definitely going to be using this. Just going to go in my bathroom for my nighttime skin routine. And then, last but definitely not least, this is what I'm most excited about. Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette from Dominique Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, y'all. I may have swatched it a little bit and then I stuck my fingernail in the green one and it sucked. But take this off, let y'all see. Oh my goodness, y'all. These are amazing. Cannot wait to do a video with these because these are good fall colors too. Some of them are. So I'm going to be doing a video soon of a fall look where I use some of these products. I already put the lipstick on, sorry. I already kind of ruined that one, I guess. But anyway. But yeah. But maybe this time I can put the lipstick on without getting it all over me. So, there's that. It's going in my eyeshadow palette drawer. Yay! I'm so excited about all this stuff, y'all. I'm excited about next month because next month is Boxy Luxe, and I love Boxy Luxe. You get so many great products from Boxy Luxe. But if y'all would like to subscribe to BoxyCharm, I will leave the link below like I always do. I've been getting the BoxyCharm now for... I've been getting it a little while. And I have to say, I love getting BoxyCharm. It is my favorite thing to get every month because you get so many good beauty products and all that, and it's very affordable. It's not too expensive, and honestly I swapped from getting Ipsy. Ipsy was okay. I have nothing against Ipsy. I just got tired of paying for little bitty products, like little sample products. And then when I heard about BoxyCharm, I'm like, I think I'm gonna switch. So I did, and I could not be happier because I love all the products I get. There's been a few times I've got something I really didn't like and I gave it to my daughter, or you know, put it in the drawer and it hasn't been used. But other than that, yeah, I love BoxyCharm. So if y'all want to subscribe to BoxyCharm, they have all kinds of options now. They've like done so much good stuff lately. But I will leave the link below in the bottom description bar along with all my social media. So if y'all want to follow me, keep up to date on what's going on in my life, please do that there. My last video I uploaded, it took me a while to upload it, and I have had some of my medical stuff done or test done or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do another video where I'll update you guys on everything that's going on and all that. But I know you guys are probably thinking, what? How much was it worth? Okay. We will see how much it was worth because I actually have my phone on me today. So, let's see. The Dominique Cosmetics was $35. Then Juice Beauty Eye Wrinkle Cream was $50. Oof. And then the Dose of Colors lipstick was $18. And then the skincare skin mask stuff was $22. And then the 2-piece brush set was $35. So total of $160. I don't know if I can see that or not. $160. And I only gave $20 to $25 for the box. So definitely worth it, y'all. I highly recommend. And then you get deals inside too, like this right here. It's for Dragon Beauty. You get like 15% off your next purchase over $80. And then they have stuff on the back telling you about Boxy Pop-Up, Boxy Luxe, all that. Customization, all that stuff. So yes, BoxyCharm. Make sure you subscribe. It's definitely worth it. I'm not pushing you to do it, but I'm telling you, you will not regret it if you sign up. So I am about to go spend some time with my daughter and be headed to work soon. So I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you're not already. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And it's almost Christmas, y'all. It's almost Thanksgiving and Christmas. So excited. I love the holidays. So yeah. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Love you.